Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how can you chat with characters in Character.AI. First, open a browser and search Character.AI and enter it. Make sure to log in Character.AI and have a character to chat with the character. If you don't have a character, I'm gonna show you how can you create a character. And if you have not logged in into your Character.AI, you can check our past episodes. If you have a character in a character AI, you can chat with the character easily by going through the message box. If you don't have a character, follow these following steps. You can see create option over to your screen, tap to create, and you can see character and voice, tap to character. And in the first, you have to enter a character name, and in the second process, you have to enter your character looks, and third, you have to describe the character, and in the fourth, you have to enter a character greeting, and you can add the voice. And you can see the visibility option. It will help to set a character private, unlisted and public. And after entering all this, tap to create a character and you can chat with the character in Character AI. I hope this video been helpful. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching us till the end.